Hello students, welcome to the UCM store. Ordering textbooks and class materials can seem overwhelming. Thankfully, this tutorial will guide you through this process and hopefully answer any questions you may have. After watching this tutorial, if you have any additional questions regarding textbooks and class materials, don't hesitate to call or email the UCM store. Let's jump right in. The first step to ordering textbooks online is, of course, logging into MyCentral. If you do not have your MyCentral login information, please contact the Technology Support Center to receive access to your student account. After logging in, you might see this page right here. If so, just click on the box titled Discover More. This will direct you to where you need to be. Once you're on the Discover page, you're going to want to look for a box with the title Order Textbooks. In this box, you will select the term you are ordering textbooks for. Once you select the term, you should be redirected to ucmbookstore.com. Now, let's discuss the options you have for your course materials. The UCM store has 3 options for textbook purchase: new, used, and digital. This is the condition you prefer your textbooks to be in. Be mindful that it is first come first served for your preferred option. Additionally, though we have many textbooks in digital or ebook format, we might not have the one you are requesting. Next, you might see IA or Inclusive Access. It is usually a digital textbook accompanied by an online program. If you have Inclusive Access, it will automatically be charged to your student account. If you would like to opt out of Inclusive Access, you will receive an email informing you of how to do so. Lastly, you might see the option Rental. If you rent a textbook, there is a $58 non-refundable fee. The textbook must also be returned by the due date, undamaged, to avoid any additional fees. If you continue to check out, you will see the statement explaining that in the case of your preferred option being out of stock, the UCM store will set out the condition with what is available. Additionally, your professor might add or remove materials that are no longer needed for your course. You will have the option to remove unneeded materials and add any that your professor has newly required. After selecting your preferred options, you will now be able to select your shipping method. The UCM store has pickup options available for free at the Crossing and at the Lee Summit campus. Additionally, delivery to your home or residence hall is also available. Once you are finished selecting your order and delivery preferences, you will be directed to payment methods. Be sure that you are logging in with your student account so that your order can be approved. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial for textbook ordering. I hope that we have answered any questions that you've had about the process of ordering textbooks online. And if you have any additional questions, please contact the UCM store via email or phone call.